Look how good this half pipe looks. Some of the hardest things I've ever done on my snowboard, dude. No. Let's go. Oh. You're not gonna drop in on it when you told me that if I don't drop in it, I'm a what? What's up, Team Buckhouse? All right, so today we're gonna do something that I've always wanted to do, and that's snowboard a skate park. I've never done this, and we were supposed to go to Baker today, but it puked. We're in Tacoma, Washington right now, and they got 5 inches on Fort Lewis, which is a ton of snow. And because we're on a military base, there's a private skate park for all the people on the military base, and no one's gonna ride it but us. And so I'm really excited about that. And we just didn't want to risk driving through Seattle all the way up to Baker. It's a 3-hour drive. It probably took us 5 hours if no one drove off the road, which, let's be real, the odds of that are not high. So we're just gonna skateboard this. We're gonna snowboard this skate park, and it's gonna be sick. Got my brother Ben, and got my brother-in-law Tim. Tim doesn't snowboard, but he shreds a skateboard. So today's gonna be sick. I don't know what just happened. Oh yeah, guys. Look at it. Before we really hit anything, we got to get a thumbnail. And I am going to say the hardest part about today, I guarantee it, is just going to be getting onto everything. All right, we're up here. Might as well drop in. Here we go. Whoa. This looks so sick. Should I try and do the jump, or should I try and just take all the snow off of this?
Do you want to take the snow off of it?
We'll just drop straight for right now.
Okay.
That sounded amazing. That wasn't bad.
It's concrete underneath all this.
Underneath all this, yeah. Oh yeah. Alright guys, this is working great. The steep drop into little quarter pipe, do a bunch of tricks. Can't really jump it. But we gotta hit the half pipe with the spine. Come on, who doesn't want to do that? And I don't know if we'll have speed to hit any of these rails, but it'd be sick. I gotta drop a layer though, it's hot. Look how good this half pipe looks. It's just gonna be really hard to get on top of it. I'm also a little nervous. You guys even see the transition? I can't.
Second go for sure.
First one is all about packing the snow in. Here we go, it's about to go off.
We're going under, there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat.
I'm so excited.
That was a success.
It's gonna get good.
This story.
Backlash written on me, card rubbing on the glass bowl. I've been ballin', free my lady sitting coming down. I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me, cold running from the pole, and it's on me. Don't know which way we're going now. I don't wanna know it. Might as well be going down.
I've never done this.
We're going up.
never done that before.
The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest. In this story. We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest.
Let's go. So my brother-in-law is saving the day because it's so hard to get up here, but he got a perfect ladder. Look at that, guys. What a nice guy. That's gonna be like 20 more drops right there.
If you slipped at the very top.
And ate it, broke my neck, and then went paralyzed, and my family couldn't eat, it would have been hilarious.
Yeah.
Okay, so this side of the pipe is actually steeper, and we couldn't get up it without the ladder. That's the real reason I got the ladder. I think if I drop this side, I can pop higher off the spine. So, go. This is the best day of my life. Like, this hands down is the best day of my life. That was crazy. We were literally skateboarding this half pipe. What? That was a lot of work. My legs are pumping. Whoa. All right, we might come back to this because it's literally the funnest thing I think I've ever done on my snowboard. But there's some rails we want to try and hit, so we're gonna go do that. But you know, we want to hit today's sticker shout out. We got Chris Cesari with the Colorado Evolution sticker on the snowboard. Looking so sick, dude. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. As well as we got Ethic 008 with the red and white Evolution sticker, dude. Looking so insane. Guys, if you want an Evolution sticker, or any of the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, they're all linked in the description. If you do snag it, it supports trips like this. I'm in Washington, and I don't think this would be possible if I was in Colorado with the snow so different. It's more wet out here, so it's sticking to the ramps, allowing us to do this, which is incredible. So you like these travel snowboard videos, like we went to Crystal Mountain yesterday, check that video out there. Those aren't possible if you guys aren't snagging the merch. So thank you to everyone that's grabbing stickers, hoodies, t-shirts. Once again, all in the description if you do snag it. Tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow my Instagram because you know I'm ripping a skate park on my snowboard, as well as we're in Washington. Like we're going to the East Coast. If you want to know where we're riding on the East Coast and stuff like that, follow the Instagram because that's where you're going to get the most up-to-date information, because these vlogs are slightly delayed because I make a video every single day. So follow the Instagram, don't miss out on the bonus content. Stay up to date daily with me on Instagram. I, by the way, am sweating so much. This is the most work. I'm like soaking wet that I've put it on my snowboard in forever. I can't even talk right now, guys. Let's hit a rail, or try to. Also, my brother-in-law is sending it on a skateboard.
Oh. I didn't fall.
That was sick. Give it a go. Oh. We got up top, which is the hardest part. All those rail shots that we just got were honestly some of the hardest things I've ever done on my snowboard. It took so much effort to get the speed to hit these rails, but it was sick. I'm happy that we've done it. You know, we did it. This has been a childhood dream of mine, to get into a skate park and rip it. So I'm like literally having the most fun of my entire life. That being said, I feel bad for my little brother who's been holding the camera this whole time, and he wants to try it. So we'll give him a shot, and then he wants to hit the half pipe. And then my brother Tim, told me if I don't drop into this big half pipe today, then I'm a wuss. So we'll get into there today too. So let's see Ben hit this half pipe though. The thing I'm worried about is I'm sweating so bad. I'm literally soaking wet. So if I stop moving, I'm gonna become a popsicle as Tim takes off all his clothes.
By the end of this, I will be shirtless.
Weird things about Johnathan Buckhouse, by the way. You always see it in edits and movies, people using ladders to get to their drop-ins or whatever. And I know we're just getting onto ramps, but the fact that I'm like throwing my snowboard up and then climbing a ladder literally makes me feel like I'm in a snowboard movie, and it's super cool. Right, bro? You getting the chills right now?
That was so cinematic, and I'm so cool. Whew. Okay, got a good feeling of how it feels.
Much better.
My ankle's hurting a lot right now.
Ben is rocking a busted ankle, and he said that's irritating his ankle. Killed it though. All right, super pipe time, Tim.
Oh man, I don't think I'm gonna drop in on that. That is.
You're not gonna drop in on it when you told me that if I don't drop in it, I'm a what? Cinematic ladder shot, here we go. All right, guys, I'm torn because I don't know if this will ever happen again in my lifetime. Skateboarding a half pipe with a spine on a snowboard with perfect snow packed in to where this is now a snow half pipe, and it was the sickest thing I think we've ever experienced. If speed could have been more turned up a little bit, the rail session would have been insane. Even this would have been a little better, but overall, I'm so thankful this happened. And what am I gonna do? I'm knocking off all my childhood dreams. This is crazy. Things that I thought would never happen are happening, which makes me stoked, thankful, blessed. If you guys like this video though, make sure you smash that like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. My goal is to help you become the best snowboarders possible. I drop a ton of how-to videos and 5-tip videos and things like that. But when the opportunities present themselves to send a skate park in super deep POW, we got to do it, and we did. I am literally a sweaty ball of mess underneath all this gear, but I wanted to look a certain way, as weird as that sounds, but I was like hoping I can make a really cool like Instagram and TikTok. If you're not following my TikTok, follow my TikTok. So hopefully I did. Hopefully those do well. I mean, this is my job. I do this for a living, so I want the stuff to go viral, do well. But if it doesn't, I don't care. Because this was literally, I think I had the most fun today out of any day this season. And we had an insane pow day yesterday. And I dropped this scary line, like through these 2 rocks. It was so scary. You just take it off more and more close.
Yeah, buddy.
Let's go. It's funny because we came and skated this in the summer, and I had that, I thought that I was like, dude, if it snowed and I could rip this, it'd be like one of the sickest parks ever. It did snow. We did snowboard it, and it was one of the sickest things ever. I am sad though that we didn't make it out to Baker Mountain this trip, but we're gonna come back out to Washington. We'll ride that resort eventually, because our goal is to ride every single resort in the United States. I have this cool map of all the resorts in the United States, and if you click on the green ones that I've been to, it has all the videos at that location. The other thing that's cool is when we snowboard a legit, like, weird spot or whatever, we still put that on the map. That's a place that we've gone snowboarding. So check out that map. That's a top link in the description. My goal is to snowboard every resort in the United States. So once again, make sure you subscribe for that. It's gonna take a couple years, but I'm thinking the very last resort, all of you guys come like ride it with me. We have like a group shred of like 3 trillion people. That's what our subscriber base will be at by then. So it'll be really sick. With all that being said, guys, we're gonna take the kids sledding in a little bit. I gotta go eat some chili, relax, then take the kids sledding. So we might make a video on that, I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed this video. So with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. And we'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no.
The bushes on that side, that made me all nervous. This is a little more clean cut.